In Top Class Edge, they teach high school and university students math, science, and English. With these, we would like to share their platforms, services, and their teaching philosophy.
The world that we live in today is very much different than what it used to be even 5 years ago. The future that our students will live in needs an education revolution, because this era of constant change requires modern education methods that shift their focus from standard memorizing and repetition. Here, students learn to become pioneers, innovators, and problem solvers. Top Class Edge's mission is to prepare students to make a difference, pursue their passions, and take on a fast-changing world with confidence and resilience. Our supportive, stimulating environment gives them the future-ready skills they need to lead with purpose, no matter what tomorrow brings. Francesca Cadhit, Director and Head Educator at Top Class Edge Learning. Success requires sacrifice and consistent effort, as well as proper guidance to make some sense of it all. It is important to remember that students are allowed to make mistakes. In fact, they need the space for mistakes. It is essential that we provide them with the space as well as give them correct advice about different ways to view the problem that they are facing in order to prevent it from happening in the future. Here in Top Class Edge Learning, we provide students with tools, guidance, and strategies to grow, reflect on their mistakes, learn from it, and figure out the best ways for future improvements, not only in academics but also in real-life goals and advances. Furthermore, you can follow our Instagram page at Top Class Edge or Twitter page at Francesca Cadhit for updates, study tips, fun facts, informational and motivational quotes, and more info on our upcoming events. Top Class Edge Learning is offering a summer program to help high school and university students with their applications, future resumes, interview preps, and guidance for their career. The program is designed to be a small group program that gives us an opportunity to provide students with personalized feedback and critique. We know that good grades and qualifications are critical, but only part of the picture. To be successful, it is vital to effectively showcase our skills. This is for students, new graduates, and job seekers who want to get real-world skills to open up more opportunities in terms of university, internship, and jobs.
Their philosophy empowers students to get ready for their future and encourage them to follow their dream. They provide laser-focused, strategic tutoring and proven methods to help students master English, science, and math. Their subject expert tutors understand that a strong foundation is the key to long-term success, so lessons are structured to build a steady base and give students an early advantage. Their tutors provide challenging lessons, individualized instruction, and personalized feedback, while also teaching them excellent habits and self-directed learning skills so students can apply their knowledge across all other school subjects in everyday life. With guided step-by-step instructions, this drives students' reading, writing, leadership, teamwork, research, and evaluation skills to set them up for lifelong success. With their philosophy, we could change and improve students' grades to help them reach their dreams. Francesca Cadhit's profile. Francesca is a tutor, speaker, living textbook, manager, therapist, and a friend for life. The reason why Francesca became a tutor is because she loves seeing her students win and go beyond getting good grades. Her classes focus on helping students steadily improve while teaching them to develop life skills for lifelong success. Her education and expertise include University of Toronto graduate, 10+ years tutoring students, Governor General's Academic Award recipient, VITA team leader and medical volunteer. And lastly, she is honored to have helped students get into their dream schools, including top Canadian institutions such as Queen's University, University of Waterloo, and University of Toronto. Subjects and areas of focus: English for elementary schools, grade 4 to 8, English/Science for high school students, grades 9 to 12, essay writing, reading comprehension, creative writing, time management, life skills, and organization.
Don't forget to recommend our company to friends and family. Tell them about our great success and how we can change our students' grades in future. Don't forget to click the notification bell, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.